Hey, it's Friday afternoon. I took a few days off. I was having some software issues and I was having some laptop issues, and trading is plenty difficult enough without fighting a software that doesn't work correctly. I was having orders reverse when I would say I bought 5 contracts and sold 5 contracts. It would actually sell 6 contracts, and I would end up with one position reversed. So anyway, we got all that straightened out. You can see here on the break of this low. Now, I have been buying these pullbacks, but I decided to be a little more cautious this next week. And I waited for this to break down. I got in right here, right there, and I sold here for 10 points. So that was a good 10-point trade. And you can see that the market only went down a little bit further and then shot back up. So there's a great deal of wisdom to taking these 10-point trades when you're scalping. You don't want to swing for the fences, certainly not as a new trader. If you can catch 10 to 20 points a day out of the market, you can easily make between 250 and $500,000 a year. So, um, 20 points a day will create a life for you that would be hard for many of us to even imagine. Uh, so this was the open, and we chopped around, and I was very patient. We finally got a pullback. The market finally picked a direction and went down, which was not surprising. And then after we got this pullback here, uh, I was pretty certain we were going down, but I waited for it to break down below that. So that was a good entry and good exit there. And then this afternoon, I have to be watching. It was out this afternoon. It was actually 10:45 Central Time. We had pushed out above this area of consolidation, then we had pulled back to a balance point, uh, and pushed below it a little bit and gone back up. And then as we broke above this high was either going to reject or it was going to go up a little and reject. But it was a good chance we were going up here to this blue line, which is our balance point. That's our 1 minute balance point, and we went up to it to the penny. You can see that it was to the penny that we balanced. So I caught 10 on this breakout of this. So that's 20 points today. The bottom line today was $396 with slippage uh, for one contract. I was just trading one contract today while I'm trying to get used to this new laptop, and the new way that I've got the software and everything set up is a little bit different. So I'm being pretty cautious right now. But we had a good day today. I'm really glad that I took the time to reset everything, get a better computer. The one I had wasn't bad, but it was having some issues. And the software I was using was having some issues. So if you find yourself getting frustrated and having difficulties with trading, please don't keep trading. Just stop, take a day off. I took a couple of days off and I got all this stuff straightened out, and it's really helped me mentally. And you can see that my trading is back on track. So we'll see you guys next week. I hope that you're learning something from this, and we'll keep bringing these to you every day.